Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Overstock app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Overstock is an online shopping app developed by Overstock.com, offering users access to a wide range of products including furniture, home decor, electronics, clothing, and more. The app features daily deals, flash sales, and a loyalty program, as well as personalized recommendations, easy checkout, and order tracking. Users can browse by category, read reviews, and filter search results for convenience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its large selection of products, frequent discounts, and straightforward navigation. Customers often appreciate the ability to quickly compare prices and access exclusive app-only deals. Notifications for sales and order updates make shopping more convenient, and the app supports multiple payment options, including credit cards, gift cards, and PayPal. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional slow loading times, glitches during checkout, or delays in customer support responses. Product quality can vary depending on the seller, and return policies may feel restrictive for certain items. Additionally, frequent sales notifications can be overwhelming if not managed properly. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Overstock app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient way to shop a wide variety of products with regular discounts and personalized deals. It shines in selection, app-exclusive offers, and order tracking. However, if you value consistent customer support or prefer a highly curated shopping experience, some frustrations may arise. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.